Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear clipboard history on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear clipboard history, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. From left pane, click on System. Then scroll down. You will find an option here, Clipboard. Click on Clipboard. Clipboard is turned on, and here you will find an option, Clear Clipboard Data, and here you will find a button. First of all, I am showing my clipboard history. Press Windows key and V. Look, this is my clipboard history. I am closing clipboard. Now click on Clear. Now clipboard history has been cleared, and again I am pressing Windows key and V. Look, nothing here. Clipboard history is removed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.